In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb drop off and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb drop off can mean to decrease. If the quality, number, or amount of something drops off, it reduces over time and may stop altogether. If you are on the phone, for example, and the line is bad, the call might drop off or become disconnected. Sorry, Kieran, I'm calling you back because the call dropped off a few moments ago. A sales department might notice that sales are decreasing. We have noticed that numbers have dropped off in sales since January. We need to find out if this is a seasonal decrease or if it's due to another reason. A community group doesn't have enough volunteers. We've noticed volunteers dropping off in community activities. How can we encourage people to volunteer? To drop off can also mean to begin to sleep. Some people find it easy to fall asleep. I find traveling by train very relaxing. I always manage to drop off to sleep after a few minutes. A conference is boring and not very inspiring. This speaker's voice is so boring. I feel like I could drop off any minute. A customer in a hotel is finding it hard to sleep. You have to do something about the people in the room next door. Every time I'm about to drop off, they start making loads of noise and playing music. To drop off something means taking people, things, or messages to a place or to deliver something. You might offer to help someone deliver something. I can drop off that package at the post office on the way home if you like. A secretary tells someone a delivery has arrived for them. A number of boxes were dropped off for you this morning. You can also drop people off if you are giving them a lift in your car. I can drop you off at your office on my way to work. So, to sum up, drop off can mean to decrease. If the quality, number, or amount of something drops off, it reduces over time. For example, sales drop off. To drop off can mean to begin to sleep. The baby just dropped off. Don't wake him up. To drop off something is the act of taking people, things, or messages to a place or to deliver something. For example, to drop off a package. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.